The year is 2035. Imagine a world where you no longer need a keyboard or a mouse to interact with technology. Instead, your very thoughts become your commands, directly shaping and controlling the digital world around you with unprecedented ease and precision. This revolutionary interaction is becoming a reality. This isn't merely science fiction from a distant future. It's the groundbreaking reality being built today through the rapid advancements in brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. Welcome to the dawn of a new era, the mind-machine era, where the boundaries between human thought and digital action are dissolving. Envision the profound impact, controlling a sophisticated prosthetic arm with just a thought, allowing for natural, intuitive movement. Or consider the simplicity of typing an entire email, composing complex documents, or navigating intricate interfaces without ever lifting a finger, all through the power of your mind. At its core, BCIs bridge the fundamental gap between our biological neurons and advanced machines. They achieve this by transforming the intricate electrical impulses generated within the brain into precise, actionable digital commands that external devices can understand and execute. So, how exactly does this remarkable technology function? At the simplest level, specialized sensors are employed to capture the subtle neural activity occurring in the brain. This can be achieved through highly advanced invasive implants, such as those developed by Elon Musk's Neuralink, which offer high-resolution data, or through non-invasive devices like EEG headbands, which provide a safer, more accessible alternative. Once these neural signals are captured, advanced algorithms come into play. These sophisticated programs meticulously decode the complex patterns of brain activity, translating them into specific, understandable actions. This allows users to perform a wide array of tasks, from moving a cursor with pinpoint accuracy to driving a wheelchair autonomously, or even piloting a drone through challenging environments, all controlled by pure thought. In essence, a single thought is transformed into a direct command, bypassing traditional interfaces. The breakthroughs are not theoretical. They are already real and profoundly impacting lives. Patients suffering from paralysis, who once faced severe communication barriers, are now regaining their ability to interact and express themselves thanks to BCI technology. Furthermore, prosthetic limbs are evolving beyond mere tools, becoming seamless extensions of the human body, responding to the user's intentions with natural fluidity. Beyond motor control, researchers are actively exploring the potential of BCIs to restore vital senses, working towards breakthroughs that could restore vision, hearing, and even the sense of touch for those who have lost them. Beyond critical medical applications, pioneers in the field are pushing the boundaries into new domains. This includes testing mind-controlled gaming, where players can immerse themselves in virtual worlds with unprecedented control, piloting drones with intuitive thought commands, and even exploring augmented cognition, enhancing human intellectual capabilities through direct brain-computer interaction. The race to advance BCI technology is truly global, with significant players emerging worldwide. Companies like Neuralink are aggressively pushing for commercial applications, aiming to bring high-bandwidth brain-machine interfaces to a broader market. Simultaneously, companies such as Synchron, Kernel, and numerous university laboratories across the globe are dedicated to experimenting with and developing safer, more scalable, and widely accessible BCI solutions. Crucially, the rise of open-source projects in the BCI space is democratizing access to this transformative technology. This ensures that the profound revolution brought about by brain-computer interfaces won't be confined solely to the exclusive domain of billion-dollar labs and corporate giants, but will be accessible to a wider community of innovators and researchers. However, the implications of BCIs stretch far beyond the impressive demonstrations we see today. Brain-computer interfaces are not just about controlling devices. They are fundamentally laying the groundwork for an even more profound future: the potential merging of human consciousness with advanced artificial intelligence, creating entirely new forms of interaction and existence. Imagine a future where you could effortlessly upload your memories, preserving them digitally or sharing them with others. Envision enhancing your cognitive abilities with integrated AI assistants, providing instant access to information and processing power. Or consider the revolutionary possibility of sharing thoughts directly from mind to mind, enabling a new level of human connection and understanding. While these possibilities sound truly limitless and awe-inspiring, they also carry an undeniable, slightly unsettling undertone. This rapid advancement into uncharted territory inevitably raises a series of profound and complex ethical questions that society must address as this technology evolves. For instance, a critical question arises: who truly owns your thoughts once they have been digitized and stored? What are the potential consequences if powerful corporations or even governments gain the ability to not only read, but potentially influence or manipulate neural data, impacting individual autonomy and privacy? This leads to the fundamental challenge of where we, as a society, draw the line between our inherent human identity and the increasing integration of machine augmentation. The principles of privacy, informed consent, and individual control will be paramount in determining whether BCIs ultimately liberate humanity, unlocking unprecedented potential or inadvertently constrain it, leading to unforeseen societal challenges. By the close of this decade, the BCI revolution is poised to fundamentally reshape nearly every aspect of our lives. It will transform how we interact with technology, creating more intuitive and seamless experiences. It will redefine how we connect with each other, potentially enabling new forms of communication. And perhaps most significantly, it will alter our very understanding of ourselves and our capabilities. The age of merging minds and machines is not a distant dream. It is rapidly approaching. The critical choices we make today regarding the development, regulation, and ethical implementation of this technology will be the defining factors in determining whether this future empowers us to reach new heights, or fundamentally redefines what it means to be human in ways we are only just beginning to comprehend. Welcome to the future of brain-computer interfaces, a future where the power of thought itself transcends its biological confines to become the ultimate, most intuitive interface imaginable, unlocking a new frontier of human potential and interaction.